When I decided to get into 3D printing, I did my research. I wanted something reliable, high quality, but that also fits in my small office setup. I ended up with the Bambu Lab A1 Mini Combo. Now, after using it for a while, I've narrowed it down to 5 reasons why this might be the best starter printer in 2026. Let's dive in. Reason number 1 is the size. In a world of massive 3D printers, the A1 Mini is surprisingly small. It has a 180mm build plate, which was a concern for me at first. But I realized that 90% of what I actually print, tool, toys, organizers, and smart home cases, it fits perfectly. It sits right here in my office without taking over my workspace. And for a small office, that's a huge win for me. Reason number 2 is the value. For a long time, features like automatic bed leveling and vibration compensation were only found on high-end machines. But with the A1 Mini, it's all built in. You don't have to spend hours tweaking or manual leveling. It handles the technical stuff in the background, making it feel like a much more expensive tool than the price tag suggests. Third is the Just Works experience. And a big part of that is Bambu Studio. As a beginner, slicer software can be intimidating, but Bambu Studio has been rock solid. It's user-friendly, you can just import a file and hit slice and then print. But it also packs all the advanced settings you ever need as you progress. Whether I'm using the desktop app to print or the phone to just watch the video, the whole integrated ecosystem is seamless. Number 4 is the community and makerworld. Having access to thousands of ready-to-print models is a game changer. You don't even need to be a designer to start. Just browse, find something useful, maybe something for your workshop or a funny toy, and print it. Plus, being part of such a large community means there's always a YouTube video or a forum post ready to help you if you ever run into a problem. Finally, the biggest reason for me, the AMS Lite. This is what makes the combo worth every penny of it. Having 4 filaments loaded and ready to go is incredible. It's not just about the colorful prints, it's the convenience of switching materials or colors without manual reloading. It makes multi-material printing feel like magic, and for me, it was the ultimate deciding factor. So, is the A1 Mini perfect? Well, no. For a large production farm, maybe not. But for a small office setup where you want a reliable tool that just works, it's hard to beat. If you're thinking about getting into this hobby, I highly recommend it. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, feel free to subscribe and like. See you in the next video.